Okay, so we're going to have oysters. So I'll take them out. 6 of those. And with these, you don't want to buy. You want to buy more expensive ones than you do cheap ones, because the cheap ones are massive, and you're thinking, "Oh, I'm getting a deal." You try swallowing a cheap one. No chance. Right. So now I want to make a bit of a sauce to go with it, or a whatever you want to call it. So you get 1 shallot, especially a French shallot. Now this one's got 2 parts to it. I only need a small one, that's all I need. Okay, so discard that one. Not discard it, but put it to one side. Take the skin off, and you want to chop this really fine. We could take a layer of skin off, see what it's like. You want this as fine as possible if you can, or the best you can. Once you chopped it nice and fine, what you normally do is transfer it to a little thing like an egg cup, but I haven't got one. Okay, so I'm just going to pop it in there for now. Okay, next is how to open these. Now, you don't want a sharp knife, and you can get proper knives for them. Okay, not that I'm an expert, but you go in through this end, which is the hinged end. Okay, just crack that, slides a nice along the top of the shell, and you'll crack a mussel. We'll see, or try, I'll show you. There we go, that should be it. It's there, it's attached there. Okay, and you put that in there like that, and then we'll do another one. So, here we go, into the hinged part. Make it open all the way along until you get to the mussel. Cut through the mussel. There, you see that? And then this is your oyster. And you'll have to free it up a little bit because that's attached as well, just inside here. Okay, that's that. I'll do another one for you, and then I'll crack on with the rest. Crack on with the rest. Crack. Okay. It's not always that easy, by the way. Like this one. Blimey. You've got to be careful. Oh, not just yet, Jane. I'm just. Oh. Is that round the wrong way? Don't know. We'll see. Oh, it could be. Don't know. You never know, you see. Well. Oh, whatty? Yeah, I know. So it's called a kutu. Work your way along. Oh, there we go. This is the skirt. That's nice as well. No, it doesn't look awful. It's lovely, honestly. Right. Free that off. Now, some people say, I've had these before, and they've said, "Oh, you just swallowed it." You're eating it. Do what you want. Don't listen to what people say. "Oh, you shouldn't do that. You shouldn't do what you want." Right. Now, show what we're doing next. Okay. Next thing is I'm going to put a few little bits of shallots. Now, if we had a little tub, I could mix it, but I'll show you. Just show you this. Okay. Put them in there like that. Okay. Make sure the oyster is freed up, because you don't want to put it in your gob and nothing happen. Okay, so that's free now. There's a little tiny muscle at the side, you have to break that. Okay, and what I'm going to add is the most tiniest amount of balsamic vinegar. Now you can use red wine vinegar, you can use any vinegar you want, or whatever your preference is. Lemon juice a lot. Okay, and then we just either chew it or down in one. There you go. So it's got the balsamic vinegar in and the shallot. The shallots here in France usually taste a bit more garlicky, don't they?
Echalot.
Echallots. And then you just go.
Some people prefer to chew them.
Yeah, I quite like chewing them now. Beautiful.
Not a bad size, that one. Nice.
That's a good one, yeah. That's what I mean. Now I can use this to put the rest of the balsamic vinegar in and the shallots. Okay. Now just pop in the rest of the onions in the little boat. A little bit of balsamic vinegar. Okay, so here we need to free up the oyster, which is a little tiny muscle there, see it? So free them up, get rid of any shell. I'm going to try something a bit different. I'm going to try just 2 or 3 drops of chili sauce. There you go. Mix it around. Down the hatch. Oh, magnificent. This one I'll try with just a little bit of chili sauce. 1, 2, 3. That's all we need. Try him. Oh, honestly, you can't go wrong. You seriously can't go wrong with these. They're beautiful. Okay, I'll just show you one more. Free them up. Even the juices, I mean, some of them are full of a lot of juice. So what I tend to do, you can tip it away, but there we go. I'm going to try this one without the chili because it's got a lot of juice in it. Beautiful. Oh, look at the size of that one. That's a beaut. And there he is, joined there. This time I'm just going to try some shallots without the balsamic vinegar. I do prefer, I think, red wine vinegar. Ooh, a bit more too much, doesn't matter, who cares. Right, and this will be the last one. Well, there's one more, but you don't want to see that. Okay, down the hatch. Bit of shell. That's it. Take care. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and like. That would be great. And we'll catch you in the next one.